Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is:
As specified by FERPA, non-custodial parents choose an option below. Cannot access student records without court permission. Cannot access student records without permission from the custodial parent. Must obtain permission from the student before viewing student records. Having the full rights as parents for access to students' record. The answer of the question is non-custodial parents cannot access student records without permission from the custodial parent. This is the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave your comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel.